In this video, we're going to be learning how to add a tab to your channel inside of your Teams account. All you need to do is once you've logged into your team and you've selected the channel that you're going to be working with, you're just going to be clicking on this little plus sign to add a tab. Why in the world would we want to add a tab, Wes?
Well, the best part about tabs is that when you're meeting with your team, if you have resources, websites, links that you constantly are going to display images or whatever it might be, you can add that so it's already there waiting for you. Or if you want to go back later and look at it, it's right there in your team.
Oh, that's a good reason. And one thing I can think of is that there's sometimes when you want to go to a website, you want to share a website with everybody on your team, you can do that right here. And it's kind of cool. We just went in there after clicking on that plus sign. Let's say we want to add a website. We just click on this website app and we give it a name. And let's say it's going to be the Keystone AEA, and I put in their web address, their URL, and we're going to post it to the tab. And I click Save. And look at that. Whenever you're in here, say you're on your notes, and now you want to go over to that website, that is just super, super slick. And now, because Wes is a member of this team, he also just received notice of that. But there's something else that we can do with them, right, Wes?
There is. So one really cool thing is that you can add actual apps. And so that's something that Jim's going to show you right now.
Yeah, should we do a form?
Sounds good.
Let's do that. So we click on Forms, because this is a really great way to share results. If you create a survey or an assessment or anything like that, you can get the results for your whole team. So we're going to come in here, and instead of just creating this, I've already got one created in Forms. So I click Add an Existing Form. I'm going to choose this one. Now here's the part that's really awesome. Instead of just showing what the form looks like, that's the collects responses. You could do that with your team. It just would show the form. They just can go and fill it out and submit it. How about if we show results? Because this is the part that's really cool. And then we kind of learned deselect this web address in there so somebody doesn't accidentally get the summary. And the same thing, we click Save. Now what's really cool is Wes would just have gotten all this information in his channel. But now, how about you'll see once before Wes submitted a survey result. Let's see if somebody else happens to submit a survey result here. And now I'm going to go up, I'm going to refresh, and let's see if anybody else has submitted it. Hey, look at right there. Yeah, A. Smith has submitted results, so you're able to look at the results. And it Saturday looks like both of these, Wes and Mr. Smith here, or Miss Smith, chose Saturday as their favorite day. Look at how handy that would be to be able to, everybody could view the results.
Yeah, that's great. It makes things really simple. And again, if somebody missed a meeting or the administrator wants to see the results of something, they don't have to ask somebody. They can just go to their team and look.
Fantastic. And that's how you're able to add, you're able to go in and you're able to add tabs to your channel. Thank you, everybody.
Thanks. Take care.